7,107 islands make up the Philippine archipelago. And in the middle of them all is Cebu, a beautifully elongated island province that is now one of Asia's choice destinations. Like a multifaceted gem, Cebu offers you more things to see, more adventure, more unique experiences that create wonderful memories. The moment you arrive, you are instantly in the center of things, where tropical beaches and a bustling modern metropolis are just few minutes apart. More surprises await those who go beyond the city and wander off to the sun-kissed countryside, up the green hillsides and vast coastlines of the southern and northern parts of the island. Enter places frozen in time as you walk around manicured town plazas and beautiful ancestral houses. Connect to centuries of history embedded in Spanish-era churches, richly adorned with antique sculptures and paintings from distant past. These well-preserved places of worship and stone structures stood the test of time, a testament to the Cebuanos' deep faith and reverence to their tradition and customs. Up in the lush mountains of this island are abundant waters that generously flow, flamboyantly displaying its beauty in majestic waterfalls that come in all shapes and sizes, hidden deep in its valleys. Downstream are the lazy rivers that support villages and a flourishing wildlife ecosystem. A mere dip in these waters refreshes your soul. For those seeking adventure, this island has endless options for the adrenaline-thirsty ones. Climb mountains, jump high cliffs, swim along deep canyons, swing high, and ride free to your heart's content. One could also go down deep in the underground mazes inside mysterious caves, where huge chambers and mineral-rich pools await you. Cebu is an adventure hub that will test your will, challenge your endurance, and ultimately satisfy the adventurer in you. At the central part of the island are the high mountain ranges that offer breathtaking landscapes, a perfect playground for nature lovers and campers. If there's one thing that Cebu is known for, it's the pristine white sand beaches with crystal clear aquamarine waters that line its shores. These slices of tropical haven have attracted travelers from all over the world. Not far from the beaches dwell magnificent sea creatures that welcome you into their world, offering a glimpse of the mysteries of the sea. A world filled with colorful coral gardens that support one of the world's most diverse marine ecosystems. Warm, gentle, and friendly Cebuanos that populate the cities and towns off this island are eager to show you their pride, the land of their brave forefathers, the island where dreams are made. Cebu. Come and explore Cebu, the island of discovery, fun, and adventure.